Hi there! Today I feel like doing a fun purple look. It's because yesterday was Halloween and today is the 1st of November. By the way, happy November! So for my Halloween look, I'm going to insert a picture here because I did not film it. I just felt the need to just relax and apply makeup without filming. For me, it feels amazing to do that because I'm so used to filming every single day. Well, for my Halloween look I used this ABH Norvina Volume 5 palette, and I wanted to use it again in just a usual fun look. So I have in mind kind of like a party almost kind of makeup, so let's get started. I'm gonna use a drop of concealer on my lids before applying any eyeshadow, so this will be my base for today. I'm not entirely sure what I want to do, but I think I will start with the B3 shade because it's a little bit more bluish tone than the rest of them. I don't want my look to turn out too reddish, so this will be like my salvation. And I'm gonna take it on a fluffy blending brush. This is a Juvia's Place 006. I'm starting to pack the shade from my outer corner after I lay down the product. So my brush is a little bit cleaner. I will start blending it into my crease as well, but I do want the main concentration of the pigment to be in my outer corner. November is the month when I'm doing my next trip. I'll be going to Paris. Oh, and I'm so excited. I feel like I need this. I need escapes like this once in a while. It feels like forever since I've been to Milan, even though it's been a month and a half ago. I'm building up my outer corner a bit. I just picked up a little bit more product, and I'll also be blending it outwards. I just apply it on the lower lash line as well, why not? I will do my entire eye look now in the beginning. I will need something to intensify it. I think I will pick D5. And I'm using a slightly smaller brush. This is a Morphe M506. I'm packing it on the outer corner because this is where I want the most intensity of the look. I'm kind of on a self-discovery journey, and trips like these, when I were to Milan, and I'm pretty sure it will happen again when I'm going to Paris, they really help me discover myself a little bit more. They just make me think about stuff. A lot of experiences, like experiences in general, for me, they are a trigger to make me think about myself. Even when I'm just going to another city or just doing something out of the ordinary, experiences in general, they make me grow. And I love that. So, especially when it's something bigger, like going to Paris is for me, I feel like it's really shifting myself and my, I don't know, just my way of thinking, I guess. They help me view life a little bit differently. I'm reaching out for my previous brush and I'm blending a little bit. I want to intensify my lash line even more, so I'm going to take the shade E5, which is this one in the corner. I'm picking it up on a small pencil brush, and I'm gonna apply it again. I'm going to start from my outer corner, so I'm packing it here, but then I'm gonna fade it on my lash line. Same goes for my lower lash line. I'm going to start from my outer corner and then fading it inwards. And then I'm gonna blend it upwards into the other shades. And I'll be taking my Morphe brush and fade it a bit. For my lid, I think I'm going to stick to silver. I don't want it to turn out too purple. Is that even a concept? I don't know. I'm gonna pick up the shade C2 on a flat brush. It's a Juvia's Place 002. And I'm gonna apply it in the empty space that I have going on here. And I'm gently fading it into the other shades. And I'm picking just a tiny bit more because I want it on the lower lash line as well, but just here in the inner portion. And then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush again and blend the crease. I will apply black on my waterline. I feel like that is suitable to tie the look together. I will use this Sephora Collection pencil in the shade, this is the Glide Liner, in the shade Deep Black. And as usual, I'm going to line underneath my lashes as well. I just don't want to see my skin color there. I will apply mascara on my top lashes, just because I want to finish off the look at least. I mean, not completely, because I'm not going to apply mascara on my lower lashes yet, because I'm going to apply concealer and everything, and I feel like I will ruin it. But I want at least the top part to be done. And I'm going to use the Essence False Lashes Mascara. Finished off my other eye and I'm moving to my face makeup. I will do the combination of the Makeup Forever foundations again. So I will mix the Reboot foundation with the Ultra HD Perfector. I'm mixing a little bit of the Ultra HD Perfector just to lighten up the Reboot foundation a little bit. Doing the mix on my hand. Then I'm gonna spread it evenly on my face. I'm also doing some kind of an initial blending. And then I'm gonna take my sponge and blend it in. Be careful to blend it on your jawline and down your neck a little bit. Whenever I have upcoming trips I have to film in advance, I get a little bit tired before trips. So I'm like waking up early every day, filming every day, editing every evening. And I like to keep posting videos even though I'm not home. I will use that same Urban Decay concealer on my under eyes and blend it with the same sponge. Careful not to mess up my eyeshadow, so I'm going around it. Next I will set my under eyes. I'm going to use my trusty powder puff, but first I will stamp the powder on my hand. Oh, I still have a lot of product on this sponge. Whatever, we're going to blend it in. Well, at least I have a bright under eye now. I just love this tool. I feel like it smooths so nicely. And I will just have to complete the blending. I want to apply the mascara on the lower lashes because otherwise I will forget. Because I did this in the past. I finished up a look. I took a lot of pictures and then I realized that I did not apply mascara on my lower lashes. Bronzer, blush, highlighter is kind of like the most boring part of the makeup for me because it's always the same. Like I don't experiment with placements or not even products. Like, what's your favorite part of the makeup? For me, obviously eyeshadow, because I can spice it up every day. For blush, my Makeup Forever one. I'm using stamping motions and I'm applying it above the bronzer, kind of on the sides of my face because I really like this placement. I feel like it lifts up my cheekbones visually. Too lazy to go grab a highlighter brush, but I kind of like the finger application as well, so don't mind if I do that. Hey look, this is nice. For lip liner I will reach for my NYX Nude Truffle again. I just love this shade so much. I'm doing a bit of overlining in the center of my lip. Just on my top lip though, just to balance out the top lip with my bottom lip. This is the best nude shade. I will apply this Sephora Collection lipstick, Discontinued. And I want a little bit of this Sephora Collection gloss in the center of my lips. Excuse the trash truck. It's 9 AM, I feel like this is the hour when they come in. Maybe I should wake up a little bit earlier. That wouldn't hurt. But I still have to edit at night and I need sleep as well. That is all for me today. I hope you like the look that I came up with. Again, I wanted to create something fun, suitable for parties or a night out. And I also think purple is a beautiful color to use. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you're having a very beautiful day and I will see you next time. Bye!